Hi guys, how are you?
Hello.
So anyway, I think this is a really nice gift for Valentine's for the person that you like, whoever that may be, your girlfriend, your mom, your grandmom, or even your daughter, whoever. Or maybe you can just make it for yourself if you're single, you know. If you're a girl, if you're single, whoever you are. Anyways, the story behind this is that 2 years ago, my brother didn't know what to get our mom for Valentine's.
Didn't have money.
He
I didn't have money.
didn't have money. So anyway, didn't know what to get our mom for Valentine's. So he made her 12 paper roses.
Dozen paper roses.
Yeah, a dozen paper roses. And I liked them so much that I asked him to teach me. When he was teaching me, I asked him where he learned how to do this. So, where did you learn it?
I learned it during college kasi may time na we had to have a booth na saktong-sakto, it was during Valentine's. Parang yung pakulo namin was that people would pass by, tuturuan namin na how to make these paper roses so that they can give it to their significant other. Like we provide the paper, ganon. And then once they make it, sa kanila na yan. So yun yung pakulo namin. And ako talaga nag-aral nun, YouTube ako, tapos tinuturo ako yung iba. But in the end, ako lang gumawa ng lahat. So ayun, actually someone helped me naman. So yeah, yun, that's how I learned how to make this paper roses.
Yeah, the funny thing is that I learned this from my brother. So I decided to make it into pendants to give the people I love. And so yeah. Diba Dane, you know that song, Paper Roses, and now it says, paper roses are like your imitation love for me. I don't necessarily believe that that's true for this case because this is something that you made by hand for somebody you love. So it's made out of love. I think that this will be a very special gift for whoever it is that you want to give it to this Valentine's Day. So yeah, maybe you wanna consider making this